Well, joining me now are Kim and Brooke from Nutritional Healing. We're talking about food as fresh as the season right now. And good morning, girls.
Good morning.
I'm super excited about this topic because some people might not know you offer a cooking class.
We do, once a month, every month. At Nutritional Healing, we think food is more than fuel. It's an experience. And what way, better to get more out of your meals than to eat seasonal? Because you're going to get a better nutrition profile, it's more budget friendly, there's less pesticides and preservatives on your food, and it's just fun to eat what's growing right now.
What inspired the class, starting the class?
Good question. So we met a professional chef out in the community, and in our mission, we're always teaching people how to eat healthy, and Healthy Chef Shell is teaching people how to cook healthy.
Yeah.
So we combined almost 9 years ago, and we've been doing it ever since. And it's honestly one of our favorite things we do every month. People come together in our classroom, and Shelly leads them through 3 recipes, how to make them, where to buy the food, how to eat healthy on a budget, how to chop like a pro, and then everyone gets to enjoy the meals and the mocktail at the end of class.
I mean, that sounds like a blast.
Yeah, we do have fun.
Now, Brooke, let's talk a little bit more about the importance and benefits of seasonal eating.
Yeah, well, there's quite a few benefits to it. Our first and foremost, flavor. You're gonna get a lot more flavor. It's fresher produce too. Like Kim said before too, it's more affordable. You're gonna be able to support local growers too, which we always like to support local, so that's a good thing too. And it tends to be more nutrient dense. So we really like to be creative. Shelly's great at being creative and bringing those foods together to make it a bit more fun. So this month, we're sharing what we have. I just want to make sure I'm not messing it up. So we have a Thai pineapple cucumber black rice salad.
Oh my gosh.
We have
delicious.
a grilled peach and chicken green salad, and then a super hydrating minty lime melon salad. And then we always pair it with a signature mocktail, which Kim actually comes up with and makes every month.
So what is it?
This month it is the Sparkler Splash.
Oh,
we always try to stick with recipes or mocktails that go along with the season, or like an event coming up, like 4th of July is July, so yeah, it's a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun with it.
That sounds like a blast.
Yeah.
Now, I know this is open to the public, right?
Yes.
And how much does it cost, and do you host it monthly?
Yes, so we do have one class every month. It is open to the general public, not just Nutritional Healing clients. It's $25 per class, and that covers an hour and a half with all of us and all of the food and the beverages. We encourage people, reach out, call 920-HEALING, or check out our website, nutritionalhealingllc.com. Get registered because there is limited seating and it does fill up fast. But we really are eating through the seasons, and we're having a blast with it, and we're helping people fall in love with eating healthy again.
Yeah, I think it's a fun way to, maybe explore a couple, food items that maybe you've never tried, like black rice,
Yeah.
People probably don't cook with that very often, but you get to try it at this class and you'll learn how to cook it, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So if people want to sign up, they can do that on your website?
Yes, nutritionalhealingllc.com. You can inquire through the web form or call 920-HEALING. Or if you can't make this Wednesday's class, July 16th from 5 to 6:30, just check out when the upcoming monthly classes are. It's every single month.
It sounds good. It sounds like a tasty little fun event.
Thank you.
Thanks, ladies.